There's so many ways to get mathematics into the day through play, through literature, and of course through focused small group activities too. Another thing we strongly encourage kindergarten teachers to do is sit down with 4 kids, say, and play a game, a simple board game, and you can adapt it to various purposes. Let's think about that. We're sitting down, we've got a board game like Candyland or something like that, or Chutes and Ladders or the like. And it's a race game. You could play it like it regularly is, but you can also think with very little changes. You can make it more mathematical and adapt it for various abilities of kids. Put out the Chutes and Ladders. Everybody's got a character to move on the board. But with this group, I'm going to just have one cube, and it's going to be a wooden cube, and I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 dots on each of the 6 faces of this cube, because I know these kids are just learning to count. They're my lower counters, lower achieving counters. They can roll that and move the spaces. And so what they're doing is they're counting the dots, and they're translating that idea of 3 into idea of 3 spaces, a pre-measurement idea. So it's a very rich thing, but it's at their level that they can understand. Again, another group of 4, I might use a regular die with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or I might write numerals on 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and have them work with that. So it's very easy to individualize with my group, but I can look in those kids' eyes and know that they're learning it, where they are on it, and I can be a good teacher by understanding the developmental progression of these kids, where the kids are, and adapting activities for those kids.
They are integrated into everything we do, and mathematics is integrated into language activities. It's integrated really naturally into science activities. The children at this stage of their development love games, and I find that board games are sometimes too complicated, and so the little simple games that I've been able to just make up myself, engage them in a game and a cooperative play process, but they're very simple, and it appeals to where they are developmentally, because they're at that 5, 6 years old. They're at that game stage where they want a winner, but it's not a big deal if you're not a winner, and they love the process of taking turns and the whole idea of rules, and once you give them a rule, it's law. Now you might have seen that they extend those rules a little bit, or they modify that because they're still quite egocentric, and so the games sometimes morph into other things.